Hello, once again, this is Eric with Master Tool Repair. Alright, we have here transfer tubes and unloader tubes. One of the most common questions and most frequent questions we get here at Master Tool Repair: how to decide which transfer tube you need, or how to measure the transfer tubes and tube sizes. It can be a bit confusing, but here we have just a couple different sizes here. We have an unloader tube and a transfer tube. It's actually pretty simple. The discharge tube or transfer tube right here, running from the pump head down to your tank or your supply line. What we have here to measure the correct size for the tube, we're going to measure the outside diameter of the tube. That's always what you want to do, measure the outside diameter. Here in the ruler we have exactly a 1/2 inch OD or outside diameter, hence 1/2 inch tube. On the tube we have a 1/2 inch compression nut and 1/2 inch compression sleeve. On the bleeder tube or unloader tube here, this is a black nylon or plastic flexible tubing. It'll run from typically from the pressure switch on loader valve to your check valve. And same principle here. We're going to measure the outside diameter of this tube. It measures 1/4 inch, a very standard, very popular size. And most of the time you'll find 1/4 inch unloading size, unloader tubing size. All right, to attach it, pretty simple. To the check valve, take your compression nut and sleeve, slide it down towards the end of the tube, not all the way, and simply insert the tube until it hits the bottom of the inlet on the check valve, and simply thread it on to the male compression fitting. Here you'll notice this is an adapter for the unloader line. This is a standard 1/4 inch compression fitting right here. And here we have a different style. Instead of having a 1/4 inch compression fitting for the tube, this is a 1/4 inch hose bar fitting. So we'll thread into the check valve and have a hose bar type where the tube will simply press on and it'll be held on by the barbs. Just depends on the type of compressor and configuration. You'll function the same. Alright, so to attach the unloader line to the adapter, you have your 1/4 inch compression nut and sleeve and your tubing insert. This brass insert stiffens the end of the tube. Simply thread it onto the compression fitting, and voila, there you go. You have your unloader tubing and your discharge tube. And that's essentially how to measure the tube, how to attach the tube. Once again, thank you for watching.